Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a bachelor-friendly masala egg rice recipe, ideal as a filling and protein-rich meal for lunch or for dinner. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm heating my kadai with 1 tablespoon wood-pressed groundnut oil. Instead of wood-pressed groundnut oil, you can use any locally sourced wood-pressed oil of your choice. Once the oil is heated, add in 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, half-inch ginger finely chopped, 3 garlic cloves finely chopped, 2 green chilies slit, and give it all a good mix. Saute the onions until they are transparent. Once the onion is transparent, add in 1 medium-sized tomato finely chopped, 1 teaspoon sea salt or as needed, and give it a good mix. Reduce the flame to the lowest. Half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala. Give this all a good mix and allow the masalas to saute for about 30 seconds on low flame so that the raw flavor of the masalas are diminished. After 30 seconds, add in 200 grams mushrooms roughly chopped. Give it a good stir, cover, and allow the mushrooms to get cooked. Remember, the flame is on the lowest. 2 minutes later, open the lid, and as you can see, water has started to release out from the mushrooms. Give this a good mix, cover, and allow the mushrooms to get cooked. Another 2 minutes later, open the lid, give it a good stir. At this stage, the mushrooms are thoroughly cooked. So I'm going to give it a good stir and allow the rest of the moisture to evaporate. Okay, now the water has evaporated and the mushrooms are now ready. So I'm going to push it towards the side. Add in 1 tablespoon oil of your choice. I'm using wood pressed groundnut oil. Altogether, I used 2 tablespoon oil in this recipe. I have lightly beaten 2 eggs with a little bit of salt and I'm adding in the egg mix. Lightly scramble the eggs. Once the eggs are lightly scrambled, add in the mushrooms and mix everything really well. Okay, now the eggs are nicely cooked. So into this I'm adding in some fresh curry leaves. I'm tearing the curry leaves and adding in so that the flavors are released. Add in 2 cups of cooked rice. You can use any cooked rice you have at hand. You can use basmati rice, jasmine rice, any cooked rice you have at hand. I'm using a traditional indigenous variety of rice known as tuyamalli rice in this recipe. So this is also a great way to make a quick meal if you have leftover rice, and give this all a good mix. Once everything is nicely mixed, you can turn off the flame. And lastly, squeeze in half a lemon. This will help to balance the flavors. Mix really well and my masala egg rice is ready to serve. And transfer this to a bowl and you can enjoy it on its own or with any side dish of your choice. So guys, do try this healthy egg rice and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.